Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Cosmetic Belgrave here. So I'm going to be doing a review on the Morphe palette, the 35U. I just feel like a summer shimmery look, very natural daytime look. If you all want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The package it came in, cute, right? I love Morphe. Like, to me, like, they can never do any wrong. As you can see, so pretty, right? I love all of these like neutral colors. You can use them and wear it like anywhere. It can go with every and anything, and this is kind of like the season that like neutrals are in, so I love it. I'm just gonna do a really simple makeup look. I mean, kind of like chilling. It's like a nice pretty summery day. First we're gonna start off with the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Primer. I love this stuff. Like, best drugstore primer out there, guaranteed. Very cute, like little rub it in. And you're definitely gonna need a lot of this primer, especially for the summertime. Ooh, you want your makeup to stay on. And I have like dry combination skin, so I don't really sweat too much, but I do in extremely hot weather. I live in the south, like it's like 80 damn near 90 degrees. Eyebrows. I'm really excited to try this Morphe palette because I just love Morphe. You can do no wrong. Their shades are so pigmented. It shows up on dark, you know, deep skin. Get my lashes done too. LA Girl Concealer and Toffee. I think I want to wear foundation today, so I'm just gonna, I'm not really going anywhere special, so I'm just throw some concealer on and conceal. Fix this, stir that, and then just I'm going to take some black opal setting powder. I'm going to use the color Molten, and I'm going to use this as a transition color. It's really cute. And we'll see. Ooh. Whoa. And since this is like the daytime look, I'm gonna keep it light. If it was a nighttime look, I would smoke it out on the ends. Let's pat this on. So many options like you have to choose from, but I think I'm gonna do I think I'm gonna do a little bit of gold spark, like my inner corner, in the inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone. Gold spark. Go back with Terra Firma, and I'm gonna put the Terra Firma on my lid, on like the entire lid. Just use the gold spark on the brow bone, like that. Like a light, we'll blend it out. Blend it out. Blend it out. You know, something simple and shimmery. Very light. I used a little bit of In the Deep, but that's not deep enough for me. So I'm gonna use the Sunseeker, just a tad. I just want a tad like brown on the eye, in the corner. Yeah, that's what I need. I love kind of like to have like a natural like cat eye look. So kind of like that. And Sunseeker is doing that for me. Okay, just like really light. And then we'll go back over with the Molten and blend it out so it doesn't look so harsh. Yeah. So I just got put onto this Fenty Beauty Blurring Skin Tint. It gives me like BB CC green a little bit. So that way I don't have to throw on any heavy foundation during the hot summer. So this is the first time I'm actually using it on my skin. I just bought it the other day from Ultra. And I like it. It's very light, but it still gives like it could possibly be like full coverage. But I like that. But it's not heavy, you know. It's not heavy. Yeah. I like that.
There's no winning in this game. Not some white light on his feet.
I just washed my hair, so my hair is like dripping.
Tough as you are. It's incredible.
My face, Laura Mercier setting powder in medium deep, I believe. And I love this. I love this setting powder. I just dust it across my face. I don't let it sit on my face. I like to be bright, but not like, you know what I'm saying? Like, extremely bright. Like, I don't like that. I just dust it on and dust it off. Dust it on, dust it off. Like that. Cute, nice, simple. So now I'm not really gonna contour. Like I said, I kind of want like an easy breezy summery look. So I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami. But it's like, y'all, I know that looks gross. I just got a shower. But it's just like, cute. Or deepest one.
Instead of winning, there's no winning in this game. Not some white lady on the street. She's not some fairy tale
No
princess.
concept that. It's very like, I don't want anything dramatic. Flip in the nose, flip. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Maybe just need a little bit. That's it. Line my lips with some regular hair store lip liner. Line my lips. Lip gloss in Fenty Glow. It's really pretty. Yep. So cute, effortless. Not too glossy either. It's just like perfect and sticky. Stay on. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm definitely gonna give this a 10 out of 10. Like Morphe always comes to slay, like it's effortless, and you can do it for daytime and nighttime looks. Classic neutral colors, like that works for every skin tone, complexion. It's beautiful. As you can see, I did this cute little summery shimmer look. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be a part of my everyday uses. The previous, I have another Morphe palette. I think it's the 350. That one's really good. Hope y'all enjoyed this watching me create this look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.